Hello, guys. Hello, guys. hello, everyone. Good morning, good afternoon, wherever you are watching me from. This Vera TV program in the building. Oh, yes, my lovely people. Good morning, good afternoon, wherever you are watching me from. I love you all. I appreciate you all for supporting me, for being there, and for subscribing to my YouTube channel. Thank you all. I appreciate you all. God will continue to bless you now. Thank you so much, my beautiful people. Oh, yes, my beautiful people. Thank you very much. And please, if today is your first time visiting Pursue the Enter House TV, please don't fail to subscribe to Pursue the Enter House TV so that anytime I'm on live video, anytime I upload, you will know when I say upload, my beautiful people, so that you can give thumbs up, so that you can drop your opinion as well. Please don't forget to subscribe. Use that one to support me as well, guys. Oh yes, oh yes, oh yes, oh yes. Back again, my beautiful people are not versed. It's 3 days. I just stay relaxed. No. Became do this one, do that one. I know easy. You know easy, my beautiful people. So I want to make my hair. I mean, want to make it quiet. I mean, never come out. I mean, want me be roll. Be don't the roll the come me. Shade the roll. I just have to find the foam. I never know shiny way. Make it roll. I mean, maybe don't come out. I mean, don't they do me roll. Don't say the roll they come. So my beautiful people, thank you very much for supporting me, for being there. God bless you all. How do I look? Happy Monday, guys. Happy Monday, guys. Happy Monday, guys. Happy Monday, guys. So I appreciate you all. God bless you all as you come in. So my beautiful people, wetin we wan talk about today na wetin be say e dey go on for social media. When e be say the thing now don dey worst. This social media of a thing na wetin be say many people don dey fear to become presenter, live video presenter, Facebook or YouTube. It's not a bad thing. Oyibo open this YouTube or Facebook of a thing. More we dey happy, more we dey jollificate. More we dey use and they do funny things. Wey be say somebody will go there, wey be say the verse, when they see the click am, e go dey happy. But why some set of people, when they don't like good thing, they don't use that place turn another thing? As me, then people will call, they'll call, they complain, change. Not they talk to person again, not they cause person. Why you they call they talk that kind of a thing? You think say as me your day so I not well? Or you think say na person they hungry me to insult? No. Now there from all those comments, I don't say that the presenter still call the comment that rubbish show. Now there therefore they get am wrong. Yes. Now there therefore they get am wrong. Because why? You as a presenter or YouTuber, because you first me enter, you will find my head for ground. Now there the problem for the call. Many times I'm gonna check me out for social media or Facebook. Mona look whether me and you shall grow who you they knew they come here and I don't get problem. Or because he don't they do well past me, I'll go find a trouble so that maybe for cause am or make her for bring am down. Now then I go for first start. Who go say you don't see Vera? Vera come out the cause person because the person your new start live video. Ah, they even day I go they give the encouragement. If I like, drop your message, drop your comments. Now me even first start to talk, you shall grow on YouTube. You shall grow. Now me talking. Because I want everybody happiness. Many people will call me how to do YouTube. I will still tell them the one I know rich. So now me be that kind. Now me when I bring that kind of thing, now me go come there when I see say new YouTuber, you're they grow, that I'll go the first one to bring her down. Or because he asked me one favor, I don't do the favor. Now he want to pass me. Then I'll call the find where to go the insult her just to bring her down. I don't see me. No, let to be frank and sincere here. Now this question I want to ask today. May all those haters, may they drop her. May they drop their comments here. Vera, I don't come out for Facebook presenter, maybe live video presenter, new live video presenter. Want to bring her down without you not do me anything. Or because you're the call people, you're the know, and you're the one make I bring on. Don't see me. I'm not that type. I'm not be that type. My own, I believe, say, if everybody gets, we eradicate poverty. When you get, I get, this one get, this one get. Jealousy not go too much. Hatred not go too much. Bad belly not go too much. Many people, where hatred, bad belly full social media. Bad belly full some people body, even not maybe for social media. It's because you get it, they don't get. They don't get. You want them to as see the get small now. Another one see the get small. You just say you don't go worst. When you go see a person they verse for you without you not doing anything, and poverty see the worry and jealousy. Say you they pass on. But when that person they make and when that person say get 1 or 2 wait for the survival, just say the jealousy go worst. You don't go worst like that. So now waiting me what made they know. Me Vera, I know they call the verse for person say because you they pass me. Or because me first you start. I can't call the find your head for ground. No. When some people will call my channel, you too they find, you too they talk, you know they drop matter. Why you go talk that kind of talk? Now I mean want talk. If many presenters they mind their business on social media, there will be peace. Yes. There will be peace. When the upper one, when they did the up, they respect their self. They don't want to bring when you wait, new start down. We go, they fear them. Yes. It's like when I don't start for Facebook. I'm saying it today. When I don't start my live video on Facebook, that time Mommy Monica and Lolo were raining. Now they rain. Now that they rain, everybody they feared them. Me too, I was afraid of them that time. They say not talk to them, but if you talk to them, if you don't know that time now, if I lie right time, yeah. Everybody call they fear them because you know why? Because they on top. You understand? That time when you start, I no about talk to, I no about follow the do saga. Because one, they get fans pass me. Two, they know they pass me. So I come out, I only do my thing, before I add the hook up to it. I didn't talk to them, I didn't insult them, I didn't even look for their trouble because myself, I say, I beg go, I don't need wahala. I was doing mine. Until when I enter page last 2 years, Lolo come and carry my video and want to bring me down. Because she wait, me not talk to her. I not trauma give her me, I take get view. She call carry my video, they cost me. Who can't bring the problem like that? Not be she. Now she's supposed to call the find me younger one trouble. Not be maybe not better make her do her. Just to bring me down, just for people to laugh at me. Then me go call run enter house. Now what me Lolo do that thing? That many people don't know why. Many people don't know why she do that thing that time. They don't know. So you want to tell me now, my beautiful people, say that they mind their business. Okay, look Odion Lovett, she goat. As if Odion Lovett trouble. No, if they talk something. Odion Lovett, sis, when they watch my live video, when I don't say I don't mention Odion Lovett for my platform, as I know. Jennifer Collins, when I see say Vera TV program, from Facebook to page, from page to YouTube, when I see say me don't mention Jennifer Collins, or I use and do saga. No. Or now again, when I started my live video on Facebook, when I hear say I use and do saga, no, she come for me. When they didn't again come for me because of the hookup I was doing, try to stop me not to do the hookup. Okay, all those names I mentioned right now, I take get fought for here. I me take get fought for this place. I me take get wahala here, or I take commit an offense right here. I didn't commit any offense, so if I dey insult them now. Eddie Murphy never talk to me. When I see me say I don't come out, they cause Eddie Murphy calling me, or Amigo, or the rest people. No. Me, I dey use and raise myself, say, this person don't do me something. If I don't do person, the person do me, will pay me. I dey always the reasoner. So that make you see me, I know they find trouble. But all those names I mentioned right now, who go come and say, Vera, shut up your man, and you find me trouble? You know, they. No one go come and say, Vera, shut up your man, and you find me trouble. You know, they. Now, they they'll come find me. Now, they'll go, they look for where to find me trouble. You understand? So, now be the thing. So, before you go talk with you don't know, you need to ask questions very well. Because if you wear my shoe, you will do the same thing to them. Because when you don't suffer, you don't really determine what they rip your suffer. Person when you call cut and come off from your mat. My dear brothers and sisters, it go pain you. Even though you be now holding, he go talk. He go try to talk, to voice her so that people will hear her, he or she. So I try to explain myself so that people will hear me. Because when I keep quiet, they will try to do more and more. But today now, I'm on my own. I have my fans too. That is the reason why this life bad, not good. Nobody knows tomorrow. They refuse to learn. All what they know is to plan evil, to plan evil, to plan evil, to plan evil. If all those presenters we have, I'm just talking about Edo State. I don't know any other tribe. Edo State, you are Ishan, you are Aushi, you are Ekboma, you be Bini, you be Esako, you be this. As far as they say Edo State, now I mean they talk about here. I'm not talking about Igbo, Yoruba, Hausa. All those who have their own crew as well. They have their own tribe. No? But the point I'm bringing out right now is Edo State, Benin, Edo State. Now I mean they talk. If they mind their business and they know how to iron issue, do you think there will be any problem right now? When the up one, they mind themselves, they arrange things for us. Do you think we'll be here? If anybody offend you, they will take it there and settle it there. But they are the one that is trying to bring young shall grow down, of which is very bad. When any problem, they social media, they don't go see elderly person call, man or woman, say, see. And when they go resettle the matter will die there. You know, rather, they will add salt, they will add fuel into join kerosene. They will add petrol, join fuel. Join petrol, join kerosene. That is the major problem. So not anybody should not come at this thing. I'll be talking nonsense. I'll be writing Vera, move on. Now New Year we did. Now New Year we did see Lolekiana. Our mommy Monica still near her. Now New Year we did. You may call the data now New Year we did. Why you not go right to the Lolekia say, now New Year we did. Don't start your rubbish again. Drop all those your nonsense. Don't do it again. Why can't you go there? I'll be waiting Lolekia they do since then. You want to say you don't see her. You want to say, they pain you. You don't see her. Now, if you matter, now she can see put for head now. If you matter, now Lolekia can see put for head right now. Then at the end, you come tell me, say, Vera, they not talk again. Vera, nya. Vera, nya. Are you okay? Are you sure you are really okay? Are you okay? Look my face. Are you okay? The people when you talk to, you leave them, you call they talk to me. Talk to me for what? Talk to me for what? Why? What do you want? What do you have to tell me? Go and tell to those leaders out there. Lolekiana, the man, they fool herself. Now you refuse to speak the truth, to tell him the truth. You are here now coming on my platform. You want to come and tell me nonsense. For what? You don't need to tell me nonsense. I don't need your explanation. Go and advise that one first. So when they stop all those rubbish, we see the call, we see stop. And me now, we not see who new call today. I'm going to find way to drop and down. If when I see encouragement, I go encourage them to move on, to try. Many people, I don't encourage them. Many they my platform here. I get many, they are still YouTuber. When they come in, I encourage them. No, do it is easy. Take it easy. Everywhere go good and so it be. Not be so I they tell you now. Una way don't come in for YouTube matter. Not be so I they tell you now. Say this how it go, this how it go. Is patient. Is it not advice I give you people? Did I use the advice or because you tell me something I call you and take you for live video or can't they bring your channel down? Have I done that? No. So let them think, let them have sense. I have not done such a thing because I know quite all right. It's not good for somebody to labor and you will be there to bring that person down. I know the pain. I know what it will make somebody pass through. So now I be the team, my beautiful people. So that's the reason why I'm here. So they should stop all those their rubbish talk, their Chelsea talk. Vera this, Vera that. I always stand for the truth. I know the fear to tell the fucking ash. I always stand for the truth. The truth stay there. They talk at the way it be. I know the court come up for where the truth today. So my darling fans, my darling people, now don't know me by now. I say the truth the way it's supposed to be. I don't bias. So my beautiful people, God will bless me. I appreciate you a lot for supporting me, for being there, for subscribing to my YouTube channel. God bless you all. Yes, so God bless you now. So this video is going to pursue the entire TV. Please don't forget to subscribe. Please don't forget to give thumbs up to this video and press that notification bell when you subscribe. Thank you very much. I appreciate you all. God bless you all. Drop your comments below and talk how the matter be for mind. Drop your comments, drop your opinion. Thank you guys. I appreciate you all. Oh yes. Ah, yes, 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 yes. Oh yes, my darling people. Yes, so it's going to I say as I yellow and I see my hands and I see am. Can you see that? Not bleaching, no. They see am. They see am. E white. Just normal color, normal cream, you know. Use normal cream. Bleaching is not good. This cocoa abroad they make person yellow. Use normal cream. Like fair and white when I dey use, no they see me. I yellow. Because you know they master my skin. I know they miss am, I know they put oil. So the fair and white pick, now they use pick up. I just show on one time. Pick up fair and white. You want to really glitter. You want the shine. They see my hand now. They see am. You know bleach. Oh. They see am. Can you see it? You see am. No bleaching. You see am. You see that? No bleach. Because why I know they bleach? You see am. You see my body. You see am. You see am. You see my neck. You see my neck. So now be the same. I know they bleach. So when you use those cream, with this fair and white, yours they use and not miss am. When you start to the miss am, go they tire you. The day will not miss am, but say no yellow. But when you know they miss am, it will make you look sweet, make you look nice. You see my face now. You know they bring this, although I don't fit get your face or pimples, no. But you know they bring skin infection. You see my ear. You see am. You see am. You see am. You see my ear. You see as it's yellow. You see that? See my neck. So it's very good. Bleaching is not good. I don't advise bleaching. All right, guys. Thank you very much. I appreciate you all. Oh, we just enter 18 minutes. Oh yes, bleaching is not good. I don't advise bleaching. Okay, if maybe now this thing when they come out now when they say organic cream, I never used them before. I only use fair and white. Fair and white, they pick cup now they use. So when they use, I know they miss, and definitely very soon you will get used to it. Yes, yes, very soon you will get used to it. So you will come master, you will come make you look fine, you will come make you look beautiful, you will come look sweet. Oh yes, my beautiful people, thank you very much. I appreciate you all. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you so much. Thank you so much. All right, guys, I'm about to go now. 18 minutes. Thank you so much. All right, bye for now.